Hey everyone, Eli here. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the 4 things your business must have to ensure it is built on solid foundations. If your business does not have these 4 things in place, there's a good chance it could come crashing down. If you want your business to be around for a long time, make sure you watch this video until the end, and I'm going to show you the 4 things it needs to have to ensure it is around for a long time. Let's not waste any time. Let's get into it right now. The first thing your business must have to ensure it has solid foundations is it needs to sell to a very specific market. It needs to sell to a very specific who. When you try and be the jack of all trades, you are the master of none. So make sure that you are not trying to sell anything to anyone. Instead, pick a niche, pick a market, pick a who, and laser target in on that group of people. Your business will have more trust, more authority. Your messaging will pierce through the noise and is far more likely to resonate with your target market, and they're far more likely to go, yes, that's for me, because you have so much more authority, trust, and your messaging just resonates stronger. The second thing that your business needs to have is it needs to sell great products that solve real big problems. Okay, there's 2 parts to that. The first is your business needs to sell great products. In the dropshipping space, most people are selling crappy products. They don't take the time to actually do any real validation that the product they're selling is good quality. They just throw it out there and see what sticks. And the truth is, that's not the best way to do it, because 1, you're going to really struggle. You're going to get a low Facebook feedback score. You're going to get kicked off of Facebook. You're going to get lots of chargebacks, lots of returns. And lastly, you're going to lose trust with your market, with your audience. People aren't going to want to come back and buy from you again and again. So make sure you do your due diligence and validate the products you are selling are high quality. Order the product off Amazon, get it yourself, feel it, look at it, touch it, use it yourself. Make sure your customers are going to enjoy it. That way, you're less likely to have those issues I've just mentioned, and your customers are far more likely to come back and be repeat buyers because you've done the right thing and they like the products that you sell. You need to sell to a very specific who. You need to sell great products that solve real problems. Oh, real problems. Okay, we didn't touch on real problems. Real problems, not all problems are created equal. Make sure your product, your great product, helps people transition from where they are, their current situation, to where they want to be, their desired situation. Your product needs to bridge the gap, needs to help with that transformation where they are, where they want to be. Every market has current situation, desired situation. Your product, your great product, needs to help bridge that gap. Okay, so now we've covered the 2 foundations. We've covered market, we've covered product. The third is team. Now, when it comes to hiring team members, most people go to onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, maybe even Fiverr, and they just hire the cheapest. Okay, that's the wrong way to do it. You want to hire the best. You want to build a team of A players. If you've ever seen rotten fruit, if you put a rotten banana around some fresh, healthy bananas, all of the fruit around it rots. Okay, so you want to make sure you're building a team of winners. You don't want to hire somebody who can barely speak English, who has a problem writing or speaking English, because they're the people that are going to be talking, interacting with your customers. Okay, so hire the best, don't hire the cheapest. Build a team of winning players, and don't let one bad apple spoil the bunch. Okay, so market, product, team. Last one, systems. You need to have a system that attracts your who, your dream buyer, that converts them from lead to buyer, and you need to have a back-end system that converts buyers into repeat buyers and gets them to buy over and over and over again. It's not always about spending money on paid ads to acquire new customers. A lot of your profit in your e-commerce business is going to come from back-end revenue, where you're promoting to your existing audience and getting them to buy from you over and over again. But if you give them a bad experience, you sell them a bad product, that's not going to work. Okay, that's why it's so important that you're doing the right thing by your customers, by your market, selling good products, providing a good service, good customer support, good shipping times, they're going to come back and buy from you over and over and over again. So they're the 4 things you need to have to make sure your business has solid foundations. Okay? Who? Great products solve big problems. Winning team, don't spoil the bunch. And systems and automation, visitors to buyers, buyers to repeat buyers. And guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like, hit the subscribe button. Also, you want to come work with me and my team for 6 months, 12 months to really build and scale your new or existing e-commerce business, go to ecommercesuccess.com/apply. We'd love to have a chat with you about your business and how we can help you accelerate your business growth. That's it from me. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.